let's see how far we can get into Gramática A. All right, possessive adjectives. Remember we talked about this, and on your sheet you should have mis. You should have all of those notes on there. And so yes, it's mis, tus, mi, tu, sus, su, nuestro, nuestra, nuestros, nuestras, and sus. So here, what I want you to focus on. So I'm actually going to be able to use the drawing thing. And I'm going to tell you that, okay, so there's two things that I want to say. First, tengo, or los padres, or mis hermanos y yo, or tú, or Maria y Nestor. That is going to indicate which possessive you're going to use. Mi, tú, su, nuestro, su. Okay? Then when we go over to here, hermanos, madre, where's this other one? Abuelos, padres, prima. That is going to indicate to you whether or not it needs to be plural. Okay, so let's get a different color, otro color, verde, and do this first one together. So, tengo, is that going to apply to mi, tú, su, nuestro, or su? Okay, that's going to apply to me. Okay, so yo and me, they're in the same bracket, right? So yo tengo tres hermanos, right? So we actually already know that it's going to be mis, but just to clarify, this takes a lot of energy to circle un círculo, haz un círculo. But if we were confused still about whether or not it's plural or not, we would look to hermanos right here, and it has an ese, right? So that means it's going to be plural. So if it was mi and mis, you would choose mis because we're talking about mis hermanos. All right. So then down here, you're looking at los padres. Does that apply to mi, tu, su, nuestro, or su? Obviously, it applies to su, but you have to decide whether or not it's plural or not. Okay. Sus madre or su madre. Okay. You tell me. Okay, so coming down, that's parte uno. Now I need the clicker. Then we go to parte dos. Change the following possessive adjectives and their nouns from singular to plural. So that's just a bunch of mumbo jumbo. You're just changing nuestro, primo, so our cousin, to our cousins. Okay, so what that's going to look like, numero uno, I'll give you this one. So it's nuestro primo, right? And it changes into, I wish I had like an arrow, changes into, here about the carrot. There we go. It makes an arrow. So now it's basically, you just have to add S to both of those words. Nuestros primos. And that's it. So then you go su tío, adding an S. Mi amiga, add S's. Tu hermano mayor, add an S to just tu and hermano. Mayor means older. So your older brother, my friend, your his or her uncle, our cousin. Okay, so that's parte dos. And I think I might have time for parte tres. So look at the drawings, right? Then write complete sentences about the drawing. So this first picture is parte del el modelo, el hermano de Sandra. So that's who that is. And then you say, su hermano practica deporte. So that's what he's doing, right? So then down here, la prima, the cousin of Julio. So la prima. So you would say su prima. And what is she doing, right? Estudiar, or What did we escribir? Escribir correos electrónicos.